If you've dreamt of eating chocolate every day, now you have an excuse. Dark chocolate is high in nutrients that are beneficial to your health. It is one of the finest sources of antioxidants on the earth, made from the cacao tree seed. Dark chocolate, not the sugary stuff, has been shown in studies to promote health and reduce the risk of heart disease. In this video, we'll be going through some of the health benefits of dark chocolate. Before we get into it, be sure to give this video a like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell, so you won't miss out on our future uploads. 1. Loaded with antioxidants. Flavonols and polyphenols, two antioxidant-rich chemicals found in dark chocolate, are among them. Antioxidants prevent oxidative stress by neutralizing free radicals. Excessive concentrations of free radicals can cause damage to cells and tissues in the body, which is known as oxidative stress. The normal aging process is aided by oxidative stress. The consequences of oxidative stress may lead to the development of several diseases over time, such as heart disease, Parkinson's disease, cancer, and even Alzheimer's. 2. Prevents heart disease. Dark chocolate's components appear to be very protective against LDL oxidation. In the long run, this should result in considerably less cholesterol accumulating in the arteries, lowering the risk of heart disease. Several long-term observational studies have seen a significant improvement. Cocoa was found to cut the risk of death from heart disease by 50%, over 15 years in a trial of 470 older men. According to another study, eating chocolate 2 or more times a week reduced the risk of calcified plaque in the arteries by 32%. It did not affect if you ate chocolate less frequently. Another study found that eating dark chocolate at least 5 times per week reduced the risk of heart disease by 57%. 3. Can help boost your mood. Theobromine is one of the ingredients in dark chocolate. Caffeine, theobromine sister molecule, has a structurally comparable structure to theobromine. When ingested in significant amounts, theobromine can lower blood pressure, increase excitability, and provide energy. This euphoria can be followed by a crash, prompting some opponents to label chocolate as a potentially deadly addictive substance. Anandamide is another molecule present in chocolate. THC and anandamide are structurally similar, although anandamide is not nearly as effective. Despite this, anandamide can increase mood and energy, without the addiction or cardiovascular risks associated with other stimulating substances. Phenethylamine, which is processed into serotonin in your body, is another mood-boosting ingredient found in chocolate. One of the most essential mood-regulating molecules produced by your body is serotonin. If you're lacking in serotonin, taking phenethylamine supplements, even through chocolate, can help you get back to normal. 4. Regulates blood pressure. Dark chocolate contains flavonols, which help the body produce nitric oxide. Blood arteries dilate or widen as a result of nitric oxide, which improves blood flow and decreases blood pressure. Chocolate intake was studied in 60 people with type 2 diabetes and high blood pressure in a 2015 study. Participants who consumed 25 grams of dark chocolate daily, for 8 weeks, had considerably lower blood pressure than those who consumed the same amount of white chocolate. According to the findings of a 2017 research, the benefits of dark chocolate on blood pressure may be greater in older people, and those at higher risk of cardiovascular disease than in younger, healthier people. 5. Good for your skin. Copper, iron, manganese, and magnesium, to mention a few minerals, are abundant in dark chocolate. These are quite good for your skin. Manganese, for example, promotes collagen formation, a protein that keeps skin looking young and healthy. Other minerals, such as calcium, aid in skin healing and renewal, which is critical. This is because our bodies can shed as many as 40,000 skin cells a day. Dark chocolate's high antioxidant content may help to protect your skin from the sun's harmful UV radiation. They've also been demonstrated to help skin that's been exposed to the sun regain its suppleness. 6. Protects against cancer. There is limited evidence that dark chocolate has qualities that may help protect people from certain types of cancer, but it is rising. Antioxidants protect our cells from free radical damage, which is responsible for aging and the development of certain diseases. When your body has too many free radicals, they start attacking your cells, which can lead to low-grade inflammation over time. They can also cause cancer, heart disease, and Alzheimer's disease. People who consume antioxidant-rich dark chocolate have a lower risk of developing cancer than those who do not. Two antioxidants, in particular, epicatechin and quercetin, are thought to be responsible for chocolate's cancer-fighting qualities. 7. Manages diabetes. One of the most generally held misconceptions regarding persons with type 2 diabetes is that they must give up all sweets and after-dinner snacks. Unfortunately, this is somewhat correct. On the other hand, dark chocolate can help you lower your blood sugar level, if consumed in moderation. Cocoa flavonols can also aid some types of cells that assist regulate blood sugar levels, by promoting insulin secretion. To reap all of these diabetic benefits, you'll need to consume a lot more cocoa, and avoid sugar. Participants in a study who ate dark chocolate for 8 weeks, saw a substantial difference in fasting blood sugar levels. Participants who ate white chocolate, on the other hand, had no benefits at all. 8. Helps in pregnancy. Chocolate has been demonstrated to aid fetal growth in recent studies. When the blood supply to the fetus is cut off or restricted, certain mothers are at risk for preeclampsia. High blood pressure, which is common during pregnancy, causes this. According to a study, regular chocolate consumption lowers blood pressure, which lowers the risk of preeclampsia. It's unclear which chocolate chemicals are responsible for this impact. The two groups in the study ate chocolate that was high in flavonols and low in flavonols. Blood flow to the fetus improved significantly in both cases. This shows that the advantages of chocolate may go beyond its flavonol concentration. Aside from all the various potential advantages, one thing is certain: dark chocolate is loaded with nutrients. Of course, the darker the chocolate, the better, but according to a study published in the journal Antioxidants and Redox Signaling, any 70% dark chocolate or higher contains antioxidants, fiber, potassium, calcium, copper, and magnesium. It's also high in calories and fat, so keep that in mind as you go about your day. Well, there you have it. Did you find this video informational or helpful? Let me know in the comments below. Thanks for watching. Here are some other videos you might like. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more health-related content.